Hmm.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. And
Morning.
we are from Group 1. And we will introduce ourselves.
My name is Gracia Ellen Krisanti.
My name is Rizky Kurniawan.
My name is Aisyah Dinda.
My name is Alvino Dunia. Now, we are presenting the intermediate structure segment. We will explain about modals. And next, the first part of the modals is the form of the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries is a verb that is used with another verb to express something necessary, admissible, permissible, probable, or possible. And in addition, most of the modals have more than one meaning. Modal auxiliary have a two form. The first form is auxiliary plus the simple form use a verb one. These auxiliaries are can, could, may, might, should, had better, must, will, would. For example is Olga can speak English. Can is auxiliary and speak is verb one. The second form is auxiliary plus two plus simple form of the verb. These auxiliary are have to, have got to, and ought to. For example is I have to study tonight. Next. The second part is the form expressing ability can and could. Can is expresses ability in the present and the future or the future. The negative form of the can is cannot or can't. For example is Bob can play the piano. The past form of the can is could. The negative of could is couldn't or could not. For example is our son could walk when he was 1 year old. Next. The third part is expressing possibility. Expressing possibility may and might expresses possibility in the present and or the future. For example, it may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. May and might have the same meaning, but may is more possible than might. So may have a high percent someone to do something possible than might. Expressing permission, may and can. Expressing permission have a same meaning. May and can have same meaning to express permission, but used in different situations. For example, you may have a cookie. You can have a cookie. The negative form of the can is cannot, or can't. May is more formal than can. It's a different situation. Next. Using could to express possibility. Could express possibility in the present, past, and the future. Could express a present possibility. For example, is he could be sick. Could be is meaning as may and might. So it is a possible that he is sick. Could express a past possibility. For example, 30 years ago, when he was a child, Daron could speak Korean fluently. Now he is forgotten a lot. Could speak is it was able to speak. Was is past possibility. Could express a future possibility. For example, look at the blue star. It could start raining in minutes. Could start is have a meaning it's possible that start rain. Next.
Solid question. May I, could I, and can I? People use may I, could I, and can I to ask for question. The question asks for someone permission or agreement. They have basically the same meaning. And can I is less formal than may I and could I. For the example, could I please borrow your pen? And you can answer with yes, of course, yes, certainly, of course, or certainly. Next. The second part question is would you, could you, will you, and can you. People use would you, could you, will you, and can you to ask valid question. The question asks for someone help or cooperation. They basically have the same meaning. The use of can is less formal than the others. May is not used when you is the subject of valid question. For the example is, would you please open the door? Can you please open the door? And you can answer with yes, yes, of course, certainly, I would be happy to. And you can answer with another. Next. Now, expressing advice, should or ought to. Should and ought to have the same meaning. The form is should plus simple form of a verb. For the negative form is should plus not. You can say it with wouldn't or should not. And the question should plus subject plus main verb. Maybe with should and ought to softness advice. Compare speaker B is giving definite advice. He is stating clearly that he believes going home for a nap is a good idea and is the solution to speaker A problems. For the example is, my clothes are dirty. I should or ought to wash them. And for the negative form, for the example is, you need to sleep. You should not stay up late. Next. The second expressing advice is had better. Had better has the same basic meaning as should and ought to. Had better usually implies a warning about possible and consequence. For the negative form, you can say with had better not. For the example is, my clothes are dirty. I should or ought to or had better wash them. And for the example for negative form is, you had better not eat that meat. Next.
Expressing necessity, have to, have got to, and must. So basically, have to, have got to, and must have the same meaning. And they express the idea that something is necessary. They can be used interchangeably in the present tense. Have to is the most commonly used model in express external necessary. They may be rules and regulation imposed by an external authority. Example, I have to go to a meeting. Have got to. Have got to has the same meaning as have to, but it is more common in informal conversation and it is not used in question. Example, we have got to be there in time tonight if we want to get free food package. Must. Must refers to necessity which come from the speaker and may be directed at the speaker or the listener. Must is typically a strong, serious, and nonsense word. Example, we must study hard to graduate. For question, they only use have to. Have got to and must is not used in question. Next. Expressing lack of necessity. Do not have to. Expressing prohibition must not. Don't or doesn't have to express the idea that something is not necessary. Example, she doesn't have to get up early on Sunday. She can wake up early if she wants, but it's not necessary since Sunday is weekend. Must not. Must not used to express that something is prohibited or forbidden. Example, you mustn't drink if you're going to drive afterwards. It's a rule, because if you get drunk and drive afterwards, you might get into an accident. Next. Making logical conclusion. Must. Must is not only used to show necessity and prohibition, but we can also use must to make logical conclusion. There are 4 subs of must as logical conclusion. First is necessity. In necessity, must state a need for something and must be done because it is usually a requirement. Example, if you want to get into movie theater, you must buy a ticket. Second, logical conclusion. Example, Jim is sneezing and coughing. He must have cold. 3. Negative logical conclusion. Example, Ami likes to eat seafood except the crab. She must not like crab. 4. Prohibition. Example, it is rain outside. We must not go everywhere. Next.
Giving instructions. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are used to give commands, make polite requests, and give directions. The difference between a command and request lies in the speaker's tone of voice and the use of please. For example, command, open the door. For request is, open the door please. The direction, could you tell me how to get to the post office? Certainly. Walk 2 blocks down the street, turn left, and walk 3 more blocks in. It's on the right-hand side of the street. And for negative form, uses don't plus the simple form of a verb. For example, close the window, please sit down, be quiet. Next. Making suggestion. Let's and why done. Let's and why done is expresses doing something. Let's and why done are used to make suggestions about activities for you and me. Let's, for example, it's hot today. Let's go to the beach. It's hot today. Why don't we go to the beach? Why done is used to make a friendly suggestion, to give friendly advice. For example, A, I'm tired. B, why don't you take a nap? A, that's a good idea. I think I will. Next. Stating preferences. Prefer, like better, and would rather. Prefer, like better, and would rather have the same meaning. It is expressing preferences. For prefer from is subject plus prefer plus noun plus to plus noun. For example, I prefer tea to coffee. For like better from is subject plus like plus noun plus better than plus noun. For example, I like tea better than coffee. For would rather form is subject plus would rather plus the simple form of a verb. For example is Adrian would rather have a melon than a banana. Next.
Okay, in the section 2, we will playing games and answer it together. Next.
Okay, everyone, let's play together.
Oke.
Okay.
Okay, the first question is, you can add to where necessary. If not to is necessary, write cross. Okay, the first question is, Tom must blah 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 see his dentist. What is the answer, guys?
Cross.
Cross.
Cross. Okay. Yay. Get it. Okay, this I have got blah blah blah. Go to the post office this afternoon. Answer, guys.
Two.
Two. Okay.
Two maybe.
Okay. Nice. Next. The next question is, you can add can, cannot, could, or couldn't in the blank. Okay. A cat blah 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 climb trees, but it can blah 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 fly. What is the question, guys? The first blank is a cat blah blah blah.
Can.
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 Okay. Look at the answer. Okay. Right.
Yay.
The second blank is but it blah 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 fly. What is the question, guys?
Can.
What is the answer?
Can.
Cannot. Okay. Okay, nice. The third blank is when I was child, I blah blah blah, but now I can. What is the answer, guys?
Couldn't. Could
Could.
not.
Could not.
Couldn't. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, couldn't because this is for past time. So you couldn't. Okay, next. Okay, the next exercise is ability, possibility, and permission. Can, may, or made. A. It is okay if I have a piece of candy, Mom. B. No, but you blah 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 have an orange. What is the answer, guys?
Might.
Okay, wait. Keep. Okay, nice. Next. Okay. She blah 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 do more than two texts at one time yesterday. What is the what is the answer, guys?
Could.
Cool. Okay. Keep. Yes, cool. The answer is could because could express ability in the past time. Is yesterday. Next.
And now use may I, could I, and can I to answer this question. First, A. Hello. B. Hello. Is Ahmad there? A. Yes, he is. B. Blah blah blah. Speak to him. A. Just minutes. I will get him. What the answer, guys?
Can I?
Can I?
Okay, let's see. Yes, nice. Next. At could you, will you, and can you to answer this question? The phone is ringing, but my hands are full. Blah blah blah. Take it in my pocket. Oh, of course. Thank you so much. No problem. What the answer for this question? Question.
Would you? Maybe.
Let's see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Now you should or opt to answer this question. First, A. I have the hiccups. What should I do? B. You blah blah blah. Drink a glass of water.
Should.
Should.
Answer.
Should.
Let's see. Yes.
Yay.
Itu. And the second question is I have a
Headache.
headache. Doctor, maybe you blah 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 take a rest. What the answer? What the answer?
Up to.
What's the answer? Yes, that's true. It is because uh, up to itu lebih mengharuskan dan should to itu nggak harus banget gitu.
Oh,
Next.
Okay.
Answer the question correctly. Ceci wants to go to a movie tonight, but she has a text tomorrow. She blah 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 go next time if she doesn't want to her text file. Give her advice. Yuk, Ines nih. With advice. What what the answer?
I don't know, Miss.
So let's see. Let's see.
I have no clue.
Can you help me?
Okay, let's see the answer. He had
Oh,
better.
Oh,
He
so.
had better go next time if he doesn't want to her text file. Jadi dia lebih baik pergi lain waktu gitu. Jadi menyarankan dengan baik. Next.
Oh. Expressing necessity have got to, and must. Choose one best answer from this question below. 1. The doctor, blah blah blah, get here as soon as he can. What's the answer? Mas? Okay, let's see. Yay!
Yeah.
So we use must because must is typically a strong and serious word. Oh, okay. Next. Okay, second question is, yesterday I blah 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 finished my geography project. What's the answer? Had to, because in the past. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, you're right, because we use had because the time is yesterday. Next. Okay. First question. It's a casual event. We blah 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 wear formal dress.
What's the answer?
Mm,
Have
don't have,
Don't have to.
yeah, don't have to.
See?
Yes.
because we subjectnya we.
Because the subject is we, so we use don't. Next. They blah 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 park here. There is no parking sign. What's the answer?
Must not.
Mustn't? Yeah, must not.
Okay, let's see.
Yay.
Okay, the answer is must not. We use must not because must not is used to express something that is forbidden. And because ada tulisannya no parking sign. Jadi kan udah tahu kalau misalnya itu nggak boleh. Makanya kita pakai must not. Okay, next. Answer the question below with logical conclusion. Negative logical conclusions, necessity or prohibition. A. Tim has been working in the hot sun for the last hour. He just drank 1 glass of water. Right now, he is refilling his glass. B. Tim, blah blah blah. What is the answer?
Must be.
Mustn't be thirsty, maybe.
Okay, let's see what's the answer.
Oh. Okay. Incorrect.
Okay, next. Second question. A. I am at Aldo's apartment door. I have knocked on the door and have rung the doorbell several times. Nobody has answered the door. B. Aldo, blah blah blah. What's the answer?
Must not be at
Mustn't be. Mustn't be.
apartment.
Shouldn't be at apartment. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Hooray.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay, I have 3 question here. What do you want choose first? Imperative sentence, making suggestion, let's why I entered, starting preference like better, better. What do you want first?
Imperative sentence.
Okay,
Sentence.
okay, let's see. Okay, which of these sentences is in imperative form? What do you answer? Okay, what?
You be
Quiet.
Be quiet.
Okay,
You be quiet.
Yeah,
Question.
you're correct.
Question mark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Amazing.
next question. The imperative form can.
Okay.
Give instruction.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, you're correct. The answer is because imperative sentences only used to give comment, make a polite request, and give direction. Okay, next. Read the sentence and choose the answer. Good idea, Sam. Blah blah blah. Invite Mark to go with us. The answer is Come on, guys. The answer is
Let's
okay.
let's
Okay, let's see. Yeah, you're correct. Okay, next.
okay.
Then the next question is, then why blah 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 go to the movies?
Me.
When we let's see.
Me.
Yeah, you're correct. Next is study preferences, prefer, like better, and would rather. Okay, the first question is, I prefer traveling by bus, blah blah blah, by train. What is the answer, guys?
Better than traveling.
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 To traveling? Okay, let's see. Okay,
Okay.
next is
Go
the
for
second
English.
question is, I blah 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 stay home today.
Prefer.
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 No,
Oh. Wow.
no. The answer
Why?
the answer is would rather. Why? Because we use would rather plus infinitive without to talk about preference. Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it, guys.
Next.
Okay, thank you everyone. And we are so sorry if any mistake. So bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.